Be careful.
Moves.
Where's he going? You ought to put it on film.
She's on film.
I can't believe that stupid cat.
He's eating something behind the fence.
That cat's stalking him. It's a cat and mouse.
It's like a comedy show.
Keep it on. You got them both in.
Just watching him.
Has the fox seen the cat?
Yeah.
I don't know, but he's missing the food at the moment.
Stupid cat. I'm mad because that cat ate all the wet food. And the fox likes the wet food. What's he looking at? The grey cat in the garden isn't our cat. Oh, you don't think he heard me, do you? No, it's a bloody magpie. He's coming back, he's coming back. Where's he going? Oh.
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 Oh. There was food there.
There's food there. I forgot about it now.
I thought he was going to attack the cat.
What's that?
The oven.
I wouldn't worry, it's only taken a word.
It's absolutely killing
gonna
my
keep
arms
going
holding
now.
it.
Go on then. Just don't scare it.
I need to set up the tripod, I think. Cat's back.
We don't like the biscuits. What's he found? What was that he found?
No idea.
The cat's back.
I'm not bothered to you.
Look at him, he's stalking the fox. Do you think he's trying to say, well, you're not coming back? The fox is going to have him if he ain't careful. Oh, he's coming, he's coming. Oh dear. Oh dear.
Oh.
Did you get it?
Could he come over so
Think so.
close? Stupid cat.
I can't believe that the cat went to stop the fox coming through.
Well, he had no intention of not coming through.
Just found the pizza crust.
Well, he prefers the pizza crust to the dog biscuits. He's certainly going all round, isn't he?
There's
The
obviously,
birds must have dropped something.
yeah, the birds have carried something over here. At the moment he's looking for a nice meal of cat.
Don't go in the garden. Oh well. I don't think he likes that.